I have here a copy of the Declaration of Independence and the United States Constitution, which is the foundation of the value system of America, the United States of America. What some would say is the greatest nation in the world. Whether you agree with that or not is not the point. Here's a famous line from this document. We hold these truths to be self-evident that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their Creator with certain unalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Question then, first an assumption and question with that. The assumption is all men, all women, all races, all people are created equal. Is that true? What does equal mean? Equal means the same, exactly the same, no difference. In math, one number equals another number exactly. 1 equals 1, not 1.1 equals 1.2. No, those are totally different. It has to be exactly the same. So are we all created exactly the same? No, we're not. We are created differently by a God who loves us infinitely, yet differently, has given us and endowed us differently, blessed us differently, not equally, but differently and infinitely, in a limitless way, so that each of us is so individual and so unique that we have our own fingerprint that's unlike anyone else. And we have our own iris print, eye scan, that is unlike anyone else. There's a sublime beauty in this inequality that is the truth of how God has made each and every one of us. There has never been anyone else like you. There's never been anyone else like me, and there never will be. We are truly unique, and this is why we are made in God's image, because there's no one else like Him, and there never will be. We are not created equally, but we are created differently and infinitely beautifully. God loves us all infinitely, not equally, but infinitely. The problem is we think too small, and we try to control God and nature and everything else because it makes us feel better. But in the process, we limit our own understanding, and we think we have it all figured out.